You just caught him.
He's waffling again. So here I am in Leeds. You can tell it's always very busy. I'm just about to go to Mad Fran's bar, which is just here. Bit of networking, so it's only a couple of hours is this one, and I think we're going to have something to eat and a drink and whatnot afterwards, so I shall catch up with you soon. Look at these set of Hi YouTube, I'm just in the yard this morning waiting on a delivery coming just for a little bit of fencing for a job, and I've got a meeting with potentially a bit of a partner with regards to some fencing sales, so hopefully that should be okay. And I've got Paul Tice from Dragonfly, he's just after a couple of posts that I should have knocking about that I said I'd give him just for some fencing around his unit he's going to do. So I'm just waiting all on 3 turning up. No doubt they'll all come at the same time, but there you go. I think Paul is here now. Yep, he is. Alright. Yeah, so I've just pulled up to see this job over at a nursery, probably here, and see it behind me. I've just obviously got to be careful since it's kids, so I can't film. We did some gates and a bit of fencing for them beginning of this year actually, so they just called me back. They've got planning for a bit more fencing now, so I'm just going to go and see that and see how we get on. I'll just turn it around, you can see what I'm up against, but basically, I don't know how well that's showing there, but old chain link fence that runs right along the back of all these garages and stuff, and the nurseries at the other side of these garages. Just want this fencing replaced here with a gate, then build a little trail down the woods to the river for the kids in summer. That'll be an interesting one because there's literally no banking there. Gloomy Friday morning, bit wet and windy here. I just took delivery of a couple of little panels on there, 4 panels, 5 panels, 5 posts, just for a little job to add some timber that they want. I'm just doing a bit of a stock check now, just seeing what fencing we have got for various jobs we've got on. We've got bits and bats scattered about, all the lads move it, and then you don't end up knowing which they are, so I've been putting our tickets on them. We'll have to do a scrap run soon, I think. Bit of a scrap pile going on. We've got to see a job at a cricket pitch that we quoted, well, about a year ago now, but they've come back to us, so just a couple of things are changing on site, a couple of gates that they don't want now, so I'll just go get that, and hopefully we'll get the order for that soon. I'm just at the yard today. I'm just getting my CCTV upgraded by a fellow EBA member, Matt Richardson from ESC Solutions. Let's go see how he's getting on. I've already got 6 cameras dotted about here everywhere. Called Matt. This is his van, and he's going to put me some new cameras up there. I've already got some. The amount of stock I'm carrying these days, it makes sense to get some more. He's putting one up there and one over there. Yeah, here they are. Let's say hello, Matt.
Alright.
What are you doing here then?
I got you a new cabling down this Copex.
Bit of a nightmare. We had a bit of a bodging fella before, I won't mention his name. But Matt's here from ESC Solutions. Come sort job out.